My name is Svetlana. I'm originally from Ukraine. I've been in Oxford for around 2 years, and I'm working as a guide at the Bodleian Library in Oxford. I thought it would be important for me, not so much for my job as a guide in the library, which is also important, I think, but because I'm doing my PhD in economics, presenting in front of a committee, it's always stressful. So I thought it would help me to gain some confidence, and I hoped I would learn a few new techniques to improve my presentations. It is important for me because I'm actually going to look for a job in management, and that's where you actually have to do presentations almost every day, and they must be of a very high quality. And that's why, though I'm very happy with the job I'm doing now, when I move on to the next job, I thought I would better gain my skills before that. It feels different when you present in English, and it is difficult because first I've got a very strong accent, and I used to speak very fast, and that's why for people it is very, very difficult to understand me here. When I moved here first, it was a disaster because nobody could understand me, I couldn't understand other people. And learning how to present, it would help even in a daily life to make myself more clear to other people. For my first presentation, I was working on structurizing it, and I thought that if I could do it in English, I then would be able to do it in Russian as well. So that's why I'm looking forward and very excited about how it's going to be, because I thought I really understood what I studied and I could implement the structure into my presentation. So I really want to see the feedback of audience to see what they think of my presentation.